All right, welcome back. We are still looking at interesting topics in primary 5 mathematics. So today we are looking at another topic, percentage increase and decrease. We are looking at percentage increase and decrease. How do you increase a percentage and how do you decrease? So this one says increase 40 by 10%. Increase 40 by 10% means you find it 10% of 40, then you add it to what? 40. 10% of 40 is equals to 10 over 100 times 40. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. You are left with what? 4. So if you are increasing 40 by 10%, this is a 10% of 40 is 40. You add this 40 to what? Sorry, this 4 to 40. So we are going to have 44. So by the time you increase 40 by 10%, the answer will be what? 44. The second one says decrease 80 by 25%. Just follow the same procedure. But this time around, you are decreasing by 25. So you find 25% of 80, then you subtract it from 80. 25% of 80 is equals to 25 all over what? 100 times 80. 0 cancel 0. 5 here 2 times. 5 here 5 times. 2 here 1 time. 2 here 4 times. So we are left with 5 and what? 4. 5 times 4 will give you what? 20. So that's percentage, 25% of 80. So we are going to subtract that 20 from 80, and that will give you what? 60. So by the time you decrease 80 by 25%, the answer will be what? 60. Very simple and straightforward. See you in our next video. Thank you.